Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not showing the online status of colleagues. This is a common issue that can make it difficult to know when your team members are available for quick communication. So let's get this sorted out. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and contacts. It's important to wait until everything has properly loaded before making any changes to ensure the settings apply correctly. Once your email has loaded completely, we need to navigate to the File menu. You'll find this located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This is where Outlook keeps most of its important configuration options and account settings. When the File menu opens, direct your attention to the bottom part of the menu. Here you'll see a link labeled Outlook Options. Click on it to proceed. This will open the Outlook Options window, which is the central hub for customizing how Outlook behaves and displays information. In the Outlook Options window, look at the left side menu where you'll see several categories. Find and click on the People tab. This section controls how Outlook handles contacts and their information, including their online status visibility. Now, if you're having trouble with your colleagues not showing when they're online, you might have accidentally disabled this feature. The setting you're looking for is called Display Online Status next to Name. Simply turn this on by toggling the checkbox. This enables Outlook to show you when your colleagues are available, busy, away, or offline, making it much easier to decide whether to send a quick message or wait for a better time. Keep in mind that Outlook might need a restart when applying these configuration changes. The settings won't take effect immediately while the app is still running, so go ahead and manually restart your Outlook application. Close it completely and then reopen it. This restart will apply the new settings and fix the online status display for your colleagues and contacts moving forward. You should now see those helpful status indicators next to everyone's names. That's all there is to it. You've resolved the issue and can now see when your colleagues are available. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.